How to switch back to a personal account on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to a personal account on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the TikTok app itself, let's first visit the App Store right here or to your Play Store if you have an Android. And it's just type in TikTok. So we're going to make sure if our TikTok is up to date. Now if it says open right here, that means that your TikTok is currently up to date. However, if that says update, just tap on that and it will update your app so that you will have the latest features within the app. After you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date, let's just go on and open TikTok right here. And from your home page or from any other page, make sure that you're currently at the profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile, on this profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now that we are at our profile page, let's just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on that and click on Settings and Privacy. And then click on Manage Account under the Accounts section over here. So you might want to switch back to a personal account because your account is currently a business account or a creator account. So to do that, you can simply just click on this option right here under the account control section. So just click on switch to personal account. And so if you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. Your account will no longer show your business website and email, but you will still be responsible for any violations you received on your business account. Once you want to confirm that switching back to a personal account, just click on switch anyway. And you have successfully switched your account to a personal one. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.